Welcome to Bame Farm, where we shamelessly hook as many things together as we possibly can and then take them down the road. Like 4 hay wagons in the square baler. Oh no, hey! We're gonna bale with 1086 today. That's mostly for operator comfort, just for the help we have. They deserve a cab. So we will see you guys when we get to the field. All hooked up. Yeehaw. Everybody wave hi to Brad and Brad's brother. Hi, Brad's brother. You don't have a name, sorry. Hi, Brad. Well, that was a fun little 12-mile jaunt over here. We're baling. Yep, 1086 is going at it. We're having a blast. We're stacking a wagon. Baler's moving right on along. I think second gear. It's looking good, isn't it? Yep, Sierra 3-point, don't need it. I got it low, that way the cylinder isn't full for the lift arms. We shouldn't need the oil, but might as well have it all available. Hope it doesn't get dark. We got our LED light on the front. Everybody wave to Brad's grandpa. We got lots of help today. That's why we got the cab. Figured I'd be nice, not make him sit out in the sun. Oh yeah, another drive-by. Pretty nice grass. Really fine. Makes for some soft bales. Everybody wave to him again. Okay, well I'm raking. I guess I got it easy today. I get to rake for once. Who knows how that happened. So yep, let's go watch the rake a little bit, and then we'll watch them bale some more. We're driving up on them again. They about got this wagon full. One more column of bales to get on. I got this one section raked. It's always fun driving by. I love being the raker. I haven't done this in forever. Like the last time I raked, it's usually I'm either A, by myself, or you know, it was back when it was just Dad and I'd rake before he'd be round baling. Yeah, so yeah, we're about 12 miles from home. I kind of know how a guy in WY feels, Wyoming. Like their hay is thin. This isn't a very thick field. Brad's getting his feet wet at guessing at these things. And I know what we got last year, so that's always a good indicator of, okay, we got this much 1 year, we'll see how it does the next. But my goal, my hope is we end up with 4 wagons full, and there'll be a little bit to round bale, but what there is to round bale is not going to make a nice square bale. So I'm going to keep raking. You ready? Brad's ready. Here goes nothing. We got to get that hay as we circle around into that barn. Already got one wagon in. Here's the second one. Usually day of unloading. Rain keeps not coming, which is fantastic. Oh yeah. Pulled them all the way here with this truck too. So that's good. Bet you an S10 couldn't do that. Chevys. It's being a little bashful. I guess it's okay, it's dry. Probably don't want to clip the barn on this side. There we go. It's nice having mirrors, so to be on the tractor, you gotta turn your head around. The question is, we're gonna make it up top. Oh yeah, we got it. Keep going. No problem. We could almost go 7 high. Woo, it's tight. That's probably good. Sneak by here. Oh yeah, we get to stack in a loft. I've always wanted to stack in a loft.